Hi guys. Okay, so I did one face right here. I'm gonna touch up the neck, so around the sides, okay? Just like this, because it's gonna be light shining right here on the front. And then underneath the chin, I'm gonna go like this, okay? And then go like that. Now for the hair, I'm going to put it in sections. Okay. So her bangs are going to kind of go like this. And then she's going to have like a little bit of a part. I'm going to bring her up a little bit. Because hair is done in sections. Okay, if you want, you're gonna have it go like that. I have it kind of go up like this to that section. Then I'm gonna have it go into one section like that, and then kind of like that. Okay. Now with hair, it depends. I'm just gonna kind of go like this and shade it. Okay. And a lot of times I'll shade softly. Okay. Go around. And I'm going to, where I did the lines, I'm gonna bold it up, okay? I'm gonna make that my darkest, okay? Just like that. Because just like how we do our hair, you guys always do things in sections. First thing you do is you part it, comb it to the part, okay? And there's that. So now I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna shade it softly, okay? Just like this, soft shading, all right? And then when I shade with the form. So my lines are like that. So I'm gonna shade just like that, okay? And go with the lines. So see how I go like this? I'm not going back and forth like this. I'm going with the form. Because believe it or not, you can see it when you're shading, or people see it. They may not know how to identify what it is, but they'll know. Okay, so look. There's that. Now I'm going to take my Q-tip, okay, just like this, and then I'm going to blend, just like you saw me do before. Okay, and I'm going to blend the same way I shaded, okay, because you'll be able to see it. Now, what's great about using a Q-tip and not your finger, because your fingers, the oils on your fingers will rub it in, okay, it's faster, all right? So now that I have her hair, I'm now going to go and I have my dark, I have my medium, and now I'm going to add my highlights with my eraser, okay? And that's how you get those strands of hair, okay, that you see when people draw super realism, okay? Just like this. If you need to clean out your eraser, sometimes your eraser will get full of like lead, so I'll just kind of clean it up, or on your pants. If we had carpet, the carpet works great. And so right here, okay? I'm gonna put it back. And so we've got that. And then I'm gonna go over here and I'm going to shade in her neck, okay? Because the whole point of making something look like a form is you want to have a light, a medium, and a dark. So with the Q-tips, it's great because when you go back, it erases really, really well. You already got your medium, and then you just go back, and then there's your light. And now you're starting to get your shading. You fix my right there. But in real life, it's shaded, you guys. I just wanted to erase that line. Okay? Your eyes are always darker. They're shaded. I'm gonna add that line. Okay? And then it's always gonna be shaded darker. I'm gonna shade it darker, softly shade it. Okay, and when I start to get a point, break the point. I'm gonna come shade it in a circle motion. Okay, and then I'm gonna erase back for the eyes. Let me draw my line again. You want your eyelids. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back, shade the eye. Your eyelids will catch a little bit of light, so you wanna shade that, and then go back, add that line, Then down here, I'm gonna shade my nose a little bit. I'm gonna just kind of shade the whole face, honestly, so that when I'm ready, I can just come back. I can add my highlights. Okay, and then you can always go and add your little lines. The chin is gonna catch some light, just like that. And then voila, there you go. She's all shaded.